Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the cognates of Malayalam and Tamil. Before that, we are discussing similarities only. Please do respect every languages because each and every languages have the specific features. Okay, I took 20 words from Tamil and Malayalam, compared those words with English. Word 1, I. In Malayalam, none. In Tamil, non. Word 2, you. In Malayalam, ninnal. In Tamil, neengal. Word 3, we. In Malayalam, nannal. In Tamil, nangal. Word 4, they. In Malayalam, our. In Tamil, avargal. Word 5, what. In Malayalam, end. In Tamil, enna. Word 6, why. In Malayalam, endin. In Tamil, yen. Word 7, where. In Malayalam, evda. In Tamil, enge. Word 8, when. In Malayalam, eppol. In Tamil, eppo. Word 9, there. In Malayalam, avida. In Tamil, ange. Word 10, come on. In Malayalam, varika. In Tamil, varuga. Word 11, will be. In Malayalam, aayirukkum. In Tamil, irukkum. Word 12, will go. In Malayalam, pokum. In Tamil, pogum. Word 13, will come. In Malayalam, varum. In Tamil, varum. Word 14, do it. In Malayalam, cheyyu. In Tamil, cheyyungal. Word 15, person. In Malayalam, all. In Tamil, sameless, all. Word 16, to grow. In Malayalam, valaruga. In Tamil, valarungal. Word 17, give. In Malayalam, kodukuga. In Tamil, kodungal. Word 18, get. In Malayalam, vanan. In Tamil, vaangungal. Word 19, okay. In Malayalam, seri. In Tamil, sari. Word 20, less. In Malayalam, koravu. In Tamil, kuraivu. I hope you guys this video is little bit help for you. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and like my video and share my channel with your friends. Comment your thoughts. If I do mistake anything, correct me in comment section. Thanks for watching.